What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're talking about a small little gadget. It's the Rhino ROV Pro. It's a small little slider. And I just wanted to bring this up to you. If you're like me, I just wanted a small slider that I could bring with me wherever, that wasn't too expensive, that was built really well. And with this slider, that's exactly what you get. There's two models. I went with the smallest one. It's the 8-inch one. Reason being, just wanted something small and compact that fits in my bag that I can bring wherever and whenever I want. The other model is the 16-inch model. So twice the size as this, which obviously is awesome, but it's gonna be a lot harder to bring around. It really depends on what you're looking for. They both go on sale very often, so keep checking the website. I wouldn't buy it at full price because it's always on sale, so why would you do that unless you're in a rush? It's on sale right now, so check it out. Comes with two mounts, one for a camera, one for a phone. Weight will be an issue if you're using larger cameras. I just used my small mirrorless cameras, so I've hooked up a GH5 on here. I've hooked up the Canon R6 on here. Both work amazing, no issues, and I'm using adapters on both of them, and then heavy lenses like a 24 to 70 Sigma or a 16 to 35 Canon lens. With the adapters, it's like this long, and it has no problem handling the weight. It says the load capacity is 5 pounds. I haven't weighed my camera, but it must be under that, or maybe it's over, and it's just a beast. Battery life is 24 hours, which is incredible. You can't go wrong there. You need a smartphone to operate it, so the app works very well. This video is just short and simple. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them there. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.